Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where today we will discuss the best quiet keyboards on the market. So let's get started. By the way, the links to all the featured products are right in the description below. Apple Magic Keyboard. Apple always manages to create a whole new prolific product idea and then set a new benchmark for itself. Here, the Magic Keyboard results from one such creative idea. The brand has evolved from its current product offering. The keyboard is well built. Unlike other products that claim to be made of metal, the Magic Keyboard is equipped with an exceptionally brilliant aluminum body and feels solid and durable in hand. Now, talking about features, the keyboard has managed to carve a niche for itself with its scissor mechanism, which felt pretty different from the conventional MacBook keypad. The products offer optimal travel and resolved the sticky key issues common among the MacBook Pro series. The keyboard also provides a long battery life of a month with an 8-hour per day usage. It's also capable of device connectivity via Bluetooth and works well with the Windows interface. The only major hassle for this keyboard is that it's not equipped with a backlight feature, which was common among its much inexpensive adversaries. Now, that being said, if you are interested in the premium side of the keyboard experience, then this product becomes an ideal choice. CORSAIR Strafe. The CORSAIR Strafe uses Cherry MX gaming key switches that feature the world's leading mechanical switch technology. The gold crosspoint contacts, gold-plated contact closures, and pressure-resistant metal alloy springs give a competitive advantage. Its brilliant RGB LED backlighting immerses you in the game with virtually unlimited adjustability. Each key is individually accessible at your command for virtually unlimited backlighting customization and sophisticated animations. The textured, contoured keycaps enable enhanced grip and feel. Plus, the keys are 100% anti-ghosting, and 104 key rollovers on USB ensures that every key press registers, no matter how fast you play. Make on-the-fly audio adjustments without interrupting your game with the easy access multimedia controls. It's compatible with the CORSAIR iQ software, which allows you to customize the RGB backlighting and set macros to any key you need. It has several extra features like dedicated media keys, a volume control wheel, and a USB pass-through. The Cherry MX Red switches on our unit felt relatively light to press, and they give a good typing experience, but it's available with Cherry MX silent switches. HP Wireless Elite V2. HP Wireless Elite V2's presence in the market spans more than a decade, and still, it finds a place in this list. This factor alone is enough to distinguish the superior performance of this keyboard. The keyboard has a well-built chassis, giving it a rugged feel. The well-blended low-profile keys, coupled with its standalone design, make the keys dust-proof. Hence, you can finally bid goodbye to the sticky issues. The keypad also has scissor-cut bouncy keys for better feedback. With a one-step inbuilt stand, it features a better stress-free typing position to give a relaxed posture. The 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity via dongle lets you pair up the keyboard with 5 devices on the go, which is quite impressive to its age. The reception remains good up to 30 feet. HP was quite thoughtful in integrating a battery life indicator into the keyboard, which some high-end brands had forgotten. The only fault I found with this keyboard was it was not equipped with a backlight feature. If you don't see that as an issue, then do have a look into this keyboard. Logitech G810 Orion. The Logitech G810 Orion Spectrum is a smooth gaming and media keyboard, customized in seemingly endless ways. If you've got other Logitech accessories, such as a mouse or headset, you can even sync up the light show. This mechanical gaming keyboard comes with a performance-driven keyboard design that integrates our most powerful technologies like advanced RGB lighting and ultra-fast, ultra-durable Romer G mechanical switches. You can game with next-gen RGB lighting powered by Logitech gaming software. Choose from up to 16.8 million brilliant colors and experience intelligent illumination that synchronizes lighting and key commands to in-game action. This keyboard features dedicated media controls plus a volume roller that can be used to play, pause, and mute music and videos instantly. You can customize F1 through F12 keys with macros for your favorite games. Logitech's exclusive Romer G mechanical switches deliver near instant responsiveness. They can actuate up to 25% faster than standard mechanical switches, giving you the edge when every key press and millisecond matters. The dedicated music and video controls are top-notch and fun to utilize, while the Romer G switches give just sufficient feedback to be satisfying without being annoying. It's a bit light on the facilities for the price, but if you find it at a discount, it's a sweet keyboard. The Logitech K780 is a full-size keyboard that can be utilized with a wide variety of devices. Although it's designed to work with smartphones and tablets, the keyboard is quite big and heavy, making it less travel-friendly. It employs typical scissor switches that need a fair amount of force to actuate. However, the overall typing experience still feels light and responsive. Wirelessly connect the Logitech K780 keyboard to your Mac or Windows computer utilizing Bluetooth Smart technology and through the included USB receiver. In addition to using this keyboard for your computer, you can replace your preferred iOS or Android-based mobile device in the rubber cradle and switch between 3 devices employing the easy switch buttons. Regardless of how you use this keyboard, it highlights silent typing thanks to the Logitech Perfect Stroke key system, along with its dedicated number pad and a variety of shortcut keys. The Logitech K780 keyboard is powered by 2 AAA batteries and highlights a long battery life of up to 2 years for worry-free typing. Sadly, it lacks backlighting and macro programmable keys, and while its latency shouldn't affect general desktop use, it isn't perfect for gaming.